Today's topic is how to send estimate approvals to your clients using AutoSoftWay. To begin, create a new estimate and fill in the required information. Make sure the client has a valid email address and phone number so the estimate approval request can be sent. Once all the information has been entered, save the estimate. Then go back to the estimate you created and click Approval to send it to the client. The estimate will then be sent to the client, where they can review all the pricing details. Once the client agrees with the pricing, they can proceed to approve the estimate. Once the estimate has been approved by the client, a paper checkmark icon will appear on the estimate, indicating that it has been approved. The technicians will then know they can proceed with the work.